Do I snore?
Me? No, I don't snore. Me or my husband? Absolutely not. Well, okay, maybe a little. Not tonight.